Chico na sinasabi na hindi natawagan. At ito, after that, ayun, gumanti ito si Gapo. And from then on, it was a free-for-all.
And that was a punch thrown. And then also a punch thrown by Serrano on Tayongtong. Yeah. And after that, we couldn't remember.
Gana, free-for-all na talaga. And,
not really a good sight, ladies and gentlemen.
It's unfortunate that this had to happen. Ito na yung sinasabi natin that started it all. Yung shoulder na yon. And syempre, yung isa naman, trying to protect his teammate. Although wala na dyan sa... Ayan na. Away na sila dyan. And that was a clear punch thrown there by Tayongtong.
And also a punch thrown by Serrano on the other end.
Yeah, doon yun. Nagagantihan na sila. Nagkagantihan na. And, well...
not really a good sight, ladies and gentlemen. Something that we don't want to see in college ball. Or in any sport, for that matter.
And you have to remember, they still have games remaining in the season. And, you know, sanctions will be meted out. And suspensions will be given out.
That's right, Coach. Sanctions will be thrown here, will be given.
Yeah.
Sayang ang ganda nun laro.
That's correct.
Kanina pa natin sinasabi na...
So that yung instigate yung isa, ito na yung bawi. And then after that, the referee should have been already in the middle.
Oh, yes.
Okay, and yung isa pa dapat, nandun na kagad para hindi na umabot. Okay, ngayon, para nagkakaintayan pa eh.
Well, I have to side with you there, Chard. I think the reaction by the refs,
they should have been more decisive in their the reaction.
Ito ang ating mga...
Dahil nagkapormahan na eh.
Mga batang manlalaro, ang future ng Philippine basketball. We've been saying that college ball, character building po yan, not only from the coaches, but from the officials as well.
You know, nandyan na. Punta ka na sa gitna niyan. And one other referee should have reacted right away.
I have to commend referee Cayole.
That's right.
He was there.
Okay.
He was able to control one.
And now the bouncers come into play. And right now, wala na. Free-for-all na talaga. And, well, it happened, but very unfortunate.
Pasensya na po kayo kung medyo passionate po kami ni Coach Richard because we both played varsity ball. We don't want such things to happen. Ang tanong ngayon, Coach Chard, sino mga ibabato mo?
Siyempre, kasi ngayon, titignan mo ngayon, sino yung 5 on the floor? Punches were